In this video, I will go over all the account types offered by the Roboforex platform. I'll explain how they differ, who they're suitable for, and what their conditions are. After watching, you'll be able to choose the account that suits you perfectly. So the first account is called Cent. This account is specifically designed for beginners and for testing new strategies. So for example, if you're just starting to try trading, I recommend you begin with this account because here you can deposit small amounts and your balances will be in cents. You'll get used to these numbers and then accordingly move on to a more advanced account. Now, let's talk about the conditions. First, the spread starts from 1.3 pips. That is, this is the difference between the buy and sell price. There are absolutely no commissions here. You don't pay any additional fees for opening or closing trades. You can fund your account starting from $10. Lots here are calculated in cents. $1 equals 100 cents. So if you deposit 10 bucks, you'll have 1,000 cents in your account. This way, it will be more convenient for you to learn without risking large amounts. And the leverage goes up to 1 to 2,000. That means you can control an amount 2,000 times larger. Don't forget about the risks, because if you increase your account using leverage, you are accordingly taking on more risk. So if you're a beginner, this account is a really great starting point for you. So the next account is called Pro. This is the standard account for most traders. If you already have some experience, you've already traded, had some successes and some failures, then you can confidently trade with this account. Now let's talk about the conditions. Here, the spread starts from 1.3 points. And there are no commissions here. That is, all costs are already included in the spread, which is convenient for simple strategies. The minimum deposit, just like with the previous account, is $10. You can start with a small amount, but for this particular account, I would recommend depositing more so that you have enough room for trading. The leverage is the same, up to 1 to 2,000. Let me repeat, the higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit, but the risks also increase. The available platforms are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. If you trade medium term or long term, this account is a good choice. So the next third account is called ECN. This account is intended for scalpers. In other words, it's for those who need fast trading over short distances. First of all, the spread here starts from 0 points. The commission starts from $2 per lot. The minimum deposit is also $10, but the leverage here is lower. That is up to 1 to 500. The available platforms are MetaTrader 4, 5, and CTrader. So if you are engaged in active trading, I recommend switching to this account. Now, the next account is called Prime, an enhanced ECN account for professionals. It is designed for those who have been trading for a long time and want more favorable conditions. The spread starts from 0 points, like the ECN account, but with even better terms for large traders. The commission starts from $1.50 per lot, so the minimum deposit is $10. The leverage here is 1 to 300, which is less than the ECN account, but it protects the trader from large losses. And the available platforms are MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. So the next account is R Trader. If you want to trade not only currencies, but also stocks, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies, then this account is just for you. The spread starts from $0.01. That is, the difference between the buy and sell price is minimal. By the way, this is important for investors. The commission starts from $0.00015 per share. So if you buy 100 shares, the commission will be only $1.50. That's very little. The minimum deposit is $100. Since the stock market requires slightly larger investments than Forex, the leverage here is up to 1 to 300. This means you can increase your trade volume, but with moderate risk. The available platform is R Trader. You can download it. By the way, it's a very convenient app. I recommend it to everyone if you want to trade specifically with this account. Well, our video is coming to an end. So let's sum up. For beginners, there's the percent account, low risks, good for practice. For standard trading, there's the Pro account. These are classic conditions that will suit most people. For scalpers, those who make many trades over short periods, there's the ECN or Prime account. And for investors and stock trading, the R Trader account is the one to use. Well, that's the end of this video. If you still have any questions, write them in the comments. Also, let us know which account you like best and share your results. Don't forget to give a like. Bye.